If you can't fit into the ceiling, or if you have suspended ceilings, you can use our special wall brackets, which are proving popular in modern properties. In new build properties, there's a thick layer of insulation which makes the joists inaccessible for screw pulleys. These wall brackets solve the problem, and they come with both a single pulley and a double pulley. So these wall brackets simply fit up the wall right up to the ceiling. They've got 4 strong screw holes for a strong fix. You can paint them to match the decor of your room, and they act just like a ceiling error, and they come in both white and black, so you can match them to suit the colour of your area. And further details are available on the Clothesmaid website. If you have a hard concrete ceiling or a metal ceiling, you can use our flat plate pulleys. These come as a double and a single pulley, and they simply fit flush up to the ceiling. In the case of a concrete ceiling, you'll need plugs and screws, but with a metal ceiling you'll need self-tapping screws. And these are available in the accessories section of our website.